The Justice Hema Commission report that was released on August 19th, Monday, authoritatively exposes the dark secrets of the Malayalam film industry, leaving many in the industry in a state of shock. According to the report, the Mollywood is dominated by a criminal mafia that preys on vulnerable individuals. Even minor children are not spared. The report sheds light on the rampant issues of casteism, illegal bans, discrimination, drug and alcohol abuse, wage disparity, inhuman working conditions, human trafficking, sexual harassment, and human rights violations. Furthermore, the report accuses prominent industry figures, including actors, directors, producers, and production controllers, of engaging in the sexual exploitation of hapless women. Ironically, the Justice Hema Commission report has been published 5 years after it was submitted to the Kerala government. The government had allegedly sat on it all these years, and there were many attempts and pressures to abort its publication or hush it up. The 235-page report, published after redacting the names of the witnesses as well as the accused, notes that the Malayalam film industry is under the clutches of certain male producers, directors, and actors, whom a prominent actor referred to as a mafia. They are also described as the power group of 15. They could allegedly ban anyone from the industry. Meanwhile, the report also notes that not all men in the film industry are misogynistic, and that there are many who behave in a very dignified and decent manner. The Cultural Affairs Department released the report at 2:30 p.m. on Monday under the Right to Information Act. The report was released after the High Court Division Bench dismissed an appeal filed by actress Ranjini against the release of the report. When the media questioned her about it on Tuesday, she stated that it was only when film producer Sajimon Parayil went to the court against the release that she realized that the report was going to be made public. It was going to happen before a copy of it was given to and signed by the women who deposed before the committee. She said she had given her statements to the committee and wanted to see in what form it was going to be made public. Ranjini, who had deposed before the committee, had moved the Kerala High Court on Friday, August 16th against the court order permitting its release, citing privacy concerns. The report states that the attack on the actress in Kochi was not an isolated incident, and that many others had been attacked before, but only this one came to light. As per the report, many revered film personalities are said to be actually double-faced. Most of the culprits are highly influential individuals who control the Malayalam film industry. People are hesitant to file complaints with Internal Complaint Redressal Committee as they fear that their complaints would find its way to the mafia group. Actresses who don't comply with the demands of these wrongdoers are labeled as troublemakers. The majority in the film industry are aligned with the mafia group. Individuals who faced bad experiences submitted various forms of evidence, including video and audio clips, as well as WhatsApp messages to the Hema Committee. Alarmingly, even the minimum wage is not being ensured in the film industry. The alleged 15-member criminal mafia is ruling Malayalam cinema. This power mafia, as it is known as, decides who gets to stay in the industry. Those who are not liked by this group are banned from the industry, and this should be taken very seriously, suggests the report. Only those who are part of the power group get luxurious caravan facilities on the sets. There have been instances of heinous crimes, including POCSO cases. Several instances of sexual harassment have occurred under the influence of intoxicants or drugs. Furthermore, women have reported to the committee that many actors arrive on sets after consuming alcohol. Some men in inebriated condition habitually knock on their doors. Cooperate, compromise. These two words are very familiar to women in the film industry. If they want to get opportunities, they have to share their bed with everyone from actors to production controllers. Many have been victims of cruel harassment. Even actresses who are considered very bold and prominent have had bad experiences. There is a code for everything in the film industry. Those who compromise are called cooperating artists. Those who resist are branded as troublemakers and are labeled Me Too cases. By the way, junior artists and budding artists are the most exploited lot in the film industry. Many of them suffer silently or quit. The Hema Commission report is of course a startling report to many, but these dark secrets have been an open secret, often showing the life of film artists in a bad light. Therefore, for a major chunk of Malayalis, these revelations are not at all that shocking. Now the main question is whether the accused in the Hema Commission report will be brought before the law and punished, but paradoxically no artists have come up with any formal complaint before the commission, police or government regarding issues in the film sets or industry. And to initiate any legal action, a formal written complaint, evidence and witness accounts will be necessary. Kerala Minister for Culture Saji Cherian has also underlined that the government will take stringent action against the accused if it receives a formal complaint from the victim.